Welcome. If you manage a Telegram group and want to keep conversations organized, the new Topics feature is a game changer. Today, I'll show how to enable topics on your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC, following the latest update. First, open Telegram Web in your browser and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your list of chats and groups on the left side of the screen. Find the group where you're an admin and click to open it. Now look towards the top right corner of the group chat window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on them. From the drop-down menu, select Edit. This will open the group settings panel on the right side of your screen. In the settings panel, scroll down until you find the section labeled Topics. It's usually located just below the Reactions option. To enable Topics, simply click on the toggle switch next to it. Once you do this, Topics will be activated for your group. With Topics enabled, your group chat instantly becomes more organized. You'll notice a new option to create and manage different topics, each acting like its own mini-chat within the larger group. This makes it much easier for members to follow specific conversations, find relevant information, and stay engaged without getting lost in a flood of unrelated messages. To create your first topic, look for the Create New Topic button in the chat window. Choose a name for your topic, hit Submit, and you're ready to go. You can add as many topics as your group needs, helping everyone keep discussions focused and clutter-free. That's all it takes. By enabling topics, you're making your Telegram group more organized and enjoyable for everyone. Give it a try and see how much smoother your group conversations become. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next guide.